If I don't make it, tell my family I love them. That was horrible. That's a party. There's people running for their lives out here, including me. Let's go! Ah! So I'm here with a civilian. How are you feeling about this rain? It's very cold. How are you feeling about this rain, sir?
Man, you know, I'm walking down the halls, luckily not being rained on right now.
Now there is a possibility for thunderstorms. Got you, just kidding. Oh. Nice try, rain. Gotcha. All right, let's hit it. Nope. So how do you feel about the rain? Excuse me. You signed a contract. Get back here. It's raining? Are you kidding me? It's raining? Are you kidding me? You can do it. Just keep up the energy. You're doing great. Look how much water you're producing. Oh, I love you. We are so perfect for each other. I'm not really sure what nurture means, so we're gonna try. You're doing a nurture job, you nurture. I just heard thunder. What do I do? Evacuate the premises. Just kidding. It's just me. No need to worry. Oh my god, there was a lightning strike.
You know the 5 North, right at Christianitos Road.
Well, I'm having such a good time out here in the rain. What the heck? Are you recording? Stop. Okay, ow. That just got in my eye. Raven, you're supposed to actually go out into the rain. Get back here, you have a contract!